The world of cryptocurrency is exciting and rapidly evolving. It can also feel like a whole new language. One term you'll hear often is cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as your passport to this exciting new world. Cryptocurrency exchanges are online platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. Just like traditional stock exchanges allow you to trade company stocks, crypto exchanges facilitate the trading of digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. These exchanges are crucial to the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. Why? Because they provide the necessary infrastructure for the market to function. They connect buyers and sellers, creating a space for price discovery and liquidity. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your crypto journey, understanding cryptocurrency exchanges is paramount. It's the first step towards participating in this revolutionary new asset class. Centralized exchanges, or CEX, are the most common type of exchange in the crypto market. They operate much like traditional financial institutions, acting as intermediaries in transactions. Think of a CEX like a big, well-known bank. You deposit your money and the bank safeguards it. Similarly, with a CEX, you deposit your cryptocurrency into an account managed by the exchange. CEX offers several advantages, especially for newcomers. They are user-friendly, often boasting intuitive interfaces and customer support. They also provide high liquidity, meaning you can easily buy or sell large amounts of cryptocurrency without significantly impacting the price. However, CEXs come with risks. The most significant concern is security. Because these platforms hold your assets and personal information, they can be targets for hackers. A breach could result in the loss of your funds. Despite these risks, CEX remain popular due to their ease of use and established infrastructure. They offer a familiar entry point for those new to the crypto space. Decentralized exchanges, or DEX, represent a more radical approach to cryptocurrency trading. They embody the core ethos of blockchain technology, decentralization. Unlike CEX, DEXs operate on a network of computers rather than a central server. This distributed network eliminates the need for a middleman, giving users direct control over their assets. Security is a significant advantage of DEX. Since you hold your own private keys, your funds are not vulnerable to hacks or seizures targeting a central entity. This self-custody aligns perfectly with the decentralized principles of cryptocurrency. However, DEX also present challenges. They can be more complex to use, requiring a deeper understanding of blockchain technology and wallets. Additionally, they often have lower liquidity compared to CEX, potentially leading to price slippage when executing large trades. Despite these hurdles, DEXs are gaining traction, particularly among users who prioritize security and decentralization. They offer a glimpse into the future of finance where users have complete control over their assets. Section 4, CEX versus DEX, weighing the pros and cons. Choosing between a CEX and a DEX depends on your individual needs and priorities. Let's break down the key differences. Centralized exchanges, or CEX, advantages: user-friendly, easy to navigate, even for beginners. High liquidity facilitates large trades with minimal price impact. Fiat gateways allows you to buy cryptocurrency directly with fiat currency. Disadvantages: security risks, vulnerable to hacks and breaches. Centralized control. Your funds and data are controlled by a third party. Regulation and censorship. Subject to government regulations and potential restrictions. Decentralized exchanges, or DEX. Advantages: enhanced security. You control your private keys, minimizing the risk of theft. Decentralized nature, no single point of failure, resistant to censorship. Privacy, often require less personal information, enhancing anonymity. Disadvantages: technical complexity, can be challenging for beginners to navigate. Lower liquidity, may experience price slippage, especially for large trades. Limited asset selection. Typically offer fewer trading pairs compared to CEX. Section 5. Choosing your exchange, navigating the crypto maze. The CEX versus DEX debate has no one-size-fits-all answer. The best exchange for you depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. If you value ease of use, high liquidity, and are comfortable with a degree of centralized control, a CEX might be a good choice. These platforms are ideal for beginners and high-volume traders. If security, privacy, and decentralization are your top priorities, a DEX might be more suitable. However, be prepared to invest time in learning the technology and navigating the complexities of self-custody. Ultimately, the key is to do your research and choose an exchange that aligns with your specific requirements. Consider factors like security measures, fees, available cryptocurrencies, and user experience. Section 6. The Future Landscape, Innovations in the Exchange Space. The world of cryptocurrency exchanges is constantly evolving. New technologies and innovations are emerging, shaping the future of how we trade digital assets. One significant trend is the rise of hybrid exchanges. These platforms aim to combine the best features of both CEXs and DEX, offering a balance of user-friendliness, security, and decentralization. Another exciting development is the integration of decentralized finance or DeFi protocols into exchanges. This integration allows users to access a wider range of financial services, such as lending, borrowing, and yield farming, directly within the exchange ecosystem. The future of cryptocurrency exchanges is likely to be characterized by increased interoperability, security enhancements, and a greater focus on user experience. Section 7. Final Thoughts. Embracing the evolution of crypto trading. Cryptocurrency exchanges are the gateway to the exciting world of digital assets. Understanding the differences between CEX and DEX is crucial for anyone looking to participate in this rapidly growing market. As you embark on your crypto journey, remember that knowledge is power. Take the time to research different exchange options, assess your risk tolerance, and choose a platform that aligns with your investment goals. The world of crypto is constantly evolving, and so are the exchanges that facilitate its growth. Embrace the journey, stay informed, and be part of the future of finance.